Samsung Galaxy A6 shifting to even numbers. Samsung changed its focus and Galaxy A6 is going to launch soon. Interesting thing about this phone is that you will see the change in numbers and name. Samsung Galaxy A6 was left over previously in favor of Galaxy A7 and Galaxy A5, and both did a lot of business for this Korean giant. With replacement of the name, lots of other things also replaced by the company, and Samsung Galaxy A6 display is the first of those things which is different from the previous devices. Now it seems that they have decided to bring all new things with fresh name. Galaxy A6 by Samsung got full vision display characteristics, where its resolution is also changed and now you will get the full HD Plus resolution. 1080x2220 pixel will keep the Samsung Galaxy A6 bright and colorful, while Super AMOLED panel is going to enrich the pixel quality with bright colors. Display size of the screen will be 5.6 inches. Samsung A6 is speculated to come with 4GB of RAM installed on top of Exynos 7870 Octa chipset, which is homegrown product of this phone, and most of the mid-range devices like Samsung Galaxy A6 have it. 32GB of native storage with a backup of SD card that goes up to 256GB. Latest version of Android is going to come out of Galaxy A6 box, which is 8.0 Oreo and was introduced recently by this brand. Overall, this device is far more better than Chinese brand Huawei's devices.